Good morning. I just answered a question from someone about standard deviation, and I know that was from week 2 in chapter 3. But I just want to make sure everyone knows that we do not rely on formulas for the most part in this class. We use the TI calculator. It just gives us more accuracy, and we're able to focus on the analysis part. So you can explain to someone what the numbers mean rather than focus on the algebra behind the calculations. And if you go to content each week, you'll be able to see this instructional materials link. And when I click on it, the third one over is the TI corner. And it's going to tell you how to use the TI to find the mean, median, Q1, Q2, min, max, standard deviation. It goes through how to draw different things. For instance, we don't use the formula for the least squares line. I hope you're using linreg AX plus B rather than that really long formula. There's videos and print, so whether you're a reader or a listener, I think we've got it set for you. So let's see this week how you would use this. So I'm going to go to week 3 and go to the instructional materials. There is no TI corner, which probably means we don't use it very much. So in chapter 5 for probability, we don't use it. You can use it for simulations and die rolls, but it's not required. So I don't have it this week. So if you haven't used that, please go back and look at the TI corner in week 1 and week 2 as you're studying for the midterm next week, so that you know that you can use the calculator for those calculations. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Have a great week.